GAMJA twigim. GAMJA twigim. What does this term mean? If you notice, the word GAMJA is in red letter. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study GAMJA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 200. GAMJA. GAMJA. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is gam, second syllable is ja. Pronounce it with me. GAMJA. GAMJA. The word GAMJA is simply the Korean noun for potato. Again, it's the Korean noun for potato. How do we write GAMJA in Hangul? Of course, let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable gam in Hangul, we need to draw first a gyo character, followed by an a character, followed by a miem character. For the second syllable ja, we need to draw first a jiat character, followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word GAMJA. Again, it's gam plus ja, GAMJA. And this is how we write it in Hangul. Now let's try to look into this example sentence. It says deep fried potato. Again, deep fried potato. The Korean translation of this is GAMJA twigim. Again, it's GAMJA twigim. The word GAMJA, which is our word for today, means potato. And the second part of the sentence is twigim, which is the Korean term for deep fried. So when we say GAMJA twigim, it means deep fried potato, which is more commonly known as French fries. Again, GAMJA twigim means deep fried potato. And yes, it could also mean French fries. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence or the term GAMJA twigim is simply deep fried potato or French fries. And with that, you've just learned GAMJA. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 190 to 199. But don't forget our word for today, word number 200, GAMJA, which is the Korean noun for potato. Word number 199 is ban Chingu, which could be used as a term for a classmate or a half-friend. Word number 198 is woyoil, which means Monday. Word number 197 is putto, which means from. Word number 196 is 생일, which means birthday. Word number 195 is dakcho, which means shut up. Word number 194 is yaksoke, which means promise me. Word number 193 is wisa, which means doctor. Word number 192 is heba, which means try to do it. Word number 191 is possoyo, which means saw, or the past tense of the verb to see. And the last for our review is word number 190, moksori, which means voice. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time out here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.